very glad to see you all here, despite of all the challenges, that this year had posed to all of us. And I hope we all, can enjoy the session today. So just quite quickly, some information about us. I think I need to update that picture of myself. That was like 20 years ago, but anyway, I'm Patricia Murrieta Flores. I'm the co-director of Digital Humanities at Lancaster University here in the UK. I am an historical archaeologist, and I coordinate this session with my brilliant colleagues, Ludovic Moncla, who is Associate Professor in Computer Science at the National Institute of Applied Sciences in Lyon, and Carmen Brando, who is a researcher engineer at the School of Advanced Studies in Social Sciences in Paris, of course also in France. So just a bit of context regarding the actual workshop. Around 4 years ago, with Bruno Martins at UNESCO ID at the University of Lisbon, we decided to carry out this workshop because working together, we realized that there was much to be gained basically by bringing together scholars that specialize in computer science, but also on particularly with geographic information sciences that could have an interest in the humanities as well. And I think that from us in the humanities, working together with colleagues such as Bruno and Ludo and Carmen, brings not only, from my point of view, great joy, in terms of generating very new ideas that in the future can have significant impact in the way that, or in the ways that we do scholarship in fields like history, archaeology, literature, theology, and religious studies, among many others, but also to realize that by working together, we can also pose really interesting challenges from the computational perspective, this is to say, from the point of view of the humanities, and of course, the spatial perspective as well. And we have tried to investigate both aspects of theory and method and what it means to actually create interdisciplinary approaches in the spatial humanities in general, right? So I really hope that this session provides us again this wonderful food for thought that has brought us, together for the past 4 years, consecutive years now. So just some information about the actual submissions for this particular session. We received 8 in total, from which 5 were accepted. We have quite an extended PC simply because the topics that we can receive in this workshop can be very varied. And today we are going to have, I think, very interesting program that I'm really looking forward to see. And so this year we have 2 technical sessions with 15 minutes coffee break in the middle, and then a discussion at the end. And I'm going to be pasting that link to the website in a minute, just in case you don't have the program as well. So in the first session, we will have 3 papers that will start in just a few minutes. This is to say at 8:15 a.m. at Seattle time. This is 5:15 Central European time. And just to let you know a bit of the dynamics of the session, we were asked by ACM to record the sessions beforehand for a series of reasons, particularly technical and so on. So for each paper, what we are going to do is to show the recording, and then at the end of each paper, we will have time for some questions. But you can also ask questions in the chat. Please, feel free to actually do that. I think there are many times that questions basically emerge while the speaker is going. So having the facility to just pose a question straight away can be also really useful. So please feel free to use the chat in that sense, or to make comments too if you want. That will be really interesting to engage with you while the session is going. Then after that, we will do a break of 15 minutes and we will come back at 10 a.m. Seattle time. This is to say 7 p.m. Central European time. And we will have the papers by Micah and Eleni and then the closing remarks. So finally, just a bit information about the proceedings. This will be available soon, and do let us know if you need anything. So I think with that, I'm just going to stop sharing my screen so Ludo can start his, and we can just to start now the session.